What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Sean, this is Dream Cars Daily, and today I'm fixing the Lamborghini. Again. And so's he. We just got done fixing his BMW. I mean, well, fixing. It's not really fixed.
It's a BMW. Are they ever fixed?
Your dashboard has like a Christmas tree. Like every light is on.
Nothing black tape won't fix.
He needed an oil change and coolant leak? Wait, we have a coolant leak fix on the Lambo too.
Ooh,
it's coolant leak day.
Coolant time.
I know you're like 8 feet tall, so you're gonna have to put the seat back. It is powered.
Wow, this thing is very big. It's as far back as it goes, huh?
I don't know.
Well, I can feel 3.
I'm 5'8", dude. I don't need to know how far the seat goes back.
I don't think these are designed for guys my size.
No, they're not.
It's still touching the ceiling.
Are you familiar with that thing right there?
This?
That?
Yeah, I push this button here, and I say drive, and it's so fancy it goes, right?
Yeah, it's something like that.
And what's this third pedal thing about?
Yeah, we don't have enough light to see the third pedal, but there is a third pedal. We all know that.
That's freaking crazy. Only cars I've ever had two. This is real fancy with this third pedal.
Well, good luck. It's insured. The third pedal doesn't turn on the windshield wipers.
It'll do. Giant dinner. Oh, wow.
It's perfect for guys your size.
Yeah, wow. Wow.
What have you found?
Apparently, Lamborghinis can't hold the tire pressure, so you use this to fill up the tires.
It's in Italian. It's Ripara e Gonfia Gomma. It's that thing.
Fix-a-flat. It's for when you're doing donuts.
Hey, but it's got a fancy Lamborghini pouch. That makes it like probably $1,000 fix-a-flat.
It's expired though.
So it's only a $500 fix-a-flat now?
I don't know. People do like things that are antique.
I saw a tool kit for a 288 GTO or an F40 go for like $17,000. It's got to be worth at least $500.
I would try. I mean, it's not doing any favors for you.
All right, so what's the other package, the other parcel, the other...
Probably a gun. It's the shape of a gun.
Well, oh! White gloves.
Nice. Oh, so you're prone to ball failure too, as well as fuses. And
maybe the Italians just want to make sure you're prepared. Not that we're prone to these things, but if they happen.
Is this 1973? Why do you have a bus fuse?
That's for when you encounter a BMW that needs help.
They need that.
And you have your white gloves to fix said BMW without sullying your hands because you're driving a Lamborghini.
Sully? That's Marilyn Manson.
Last time I had it up on the lift, we had a coolant leak and an oil leak to fix. There is a new coolant leak. Well, it's kind of the same one. I saw a hose that I thought maybe needed to be replaced, but I neglected it on me. It's leaking now, so up in the air, fix the coolant leak, and I think we should probably put the drive shaft back in so we have all-wheel drive, because this is Michigan and it's sketchy.
About time.
Hey,
Come on, man.
nobody asked the peanut gallery.
It's all-wheel drive or not.
Well, right now it's not.
Let's make it back all-wheel drive. Let's go sideways in the snow.
All-wheel drive donuts in the snow. Wait, hey, tonight's the night for it. It's gonna be icy.
Let's do it.
All right, so since I've helped you not really truly fix your BMW, you get to help me with this.
Oh boy. A real car.
The coolant leak is... All right, so I replaced that hose, replaced another one. It's this guy right here. Probably too dark to see it, but that guy. So we'll take this off, all like 147 Torx bits.
Wow.
And we'll put the drive shaft back on so I can have all-wheel drive and we can go do all-wheel drive donuts, probably tonight. And yeah, we'll get a piece of hose and fix that. Are you seriously gonna work that hard?
It's not hard. It's just a twist of the wrist.
Maybe you're comfortable with using your wrist that much?
On single.
We have power tools for that.
That's what she said.
That will work. Well, I don't know about better, but easier.
More gooder.
More gooder. Exactly.
Jesus.
Isn't this way better than using your wrist?
Yeah. I didn't count these before I looked.
You look like you have a system here. Here, let me help you with that.
Awesome. That's using my head.
I think you're tight.
You got it in tight, man. Hand me a tool going the wrong way.
I was testing you.
I thought you were a professional. I didn't check you first.
Yeah, that was your first mistake. I think you broke it loose.
Looks like it. This Kool-Aid?
I know it looks like it, right?
Wow.
It's that special pink coolant. Your car takes the Smurf coolant.
Yeah, it's done different in Italy.
I have to get a coolant line. Can I have your car keys?
Yeah. How much should you get to drink tonight?
So, I was gonna take my van. I can't find the keys.
I wouldn't find the keys for a van either.
You think this is better?
I mean, it says better made wheels right on it.
I'm not sure it's gonna like actually make it to AutoZone, which is half a block away.
You just fixed it. What are you saying?
No, I did an oil change
Yeah, that's all a BMW.
and sealed the water pump.
Yeah, well, oil is all a BMW needs.
Your dashboard says otherwise.
That's a lie.
Wish me luck. Where's the traction control button? I'm not sure there's anything that isn't wrong with this car.
You know this car only has 2 pedals, right?
2 pedals?
2, only 2. Do you know how to drive a car with only 2 pedals?
I was just trying to find your traction control button.
You don't need it.
Oh, that's right. It's already disabled.
Yep.
The wheel speed sensors are disconnected. Like everything's disconnected.
It's to go sideways with.
You really just gave me permission to do that?
Just don't break it unless you're gonna fix it. So do you know how to get one of these into gear, considering it doesn't have a little shifter?
Well, you grab this thing and you like do that, and then we move.
That's it.
Yeah, nice.
Surprised you know how to use a car with 2 pedals.
It takes a second to go into gear.
You just gotta put it in gear first.
All we gotta do is get close.
All right, we'll see real quick.
Oh, that might. Oh, we might be getting there.
Let me pull it so we can take a look. Tell me what you think. Oh, no.
Nope. Larger diameter than that.
All right.
All right, 1/2 inch, 5/8. Yep, give like 1 inch. I think we're probably close to 1 inch here.
Let's see what this is.
No, that's 1/2 inch. 3/4, 5. Let's try that 3/4. Let's see what we got there. Oh, we might be in business.
Oh, I got this on top. Here we go.
We're getting awfully close there, aren't
What's
we?
the other side look like?
I think we might be able to make some money here.
Let's see what we got. What do you think? Too tight?
I'll make it work.
All right.
It looks like the largest diameter you have. Nope, there's nothing in there. 5/8. Yeah. Yeah, so give me, what, 1.5 feet of that.
All right. Oh, you can see it?
I'm just gonna cut it right there. We're gonna call that good.
Oh, okay.
No, you're really on camera.
Oh,
You're about to be on YouTube.
why?
Because you're selling me Lamborghini heater hose for $1.79 a foot. I mean, this is like bargain basement Lambo. This should be like $300.
Oh, right. But it's just
But we're
straight hose.
But we're $1.79 a foot. So
So what are they charging?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay.
I didn't call them. I called you.
Right.
I brought the bad one down. You're replacing it with this one, and I'm gonna have a good day.
Excellent. That's what we like to do. All
We've
right.
got 20 inches, which I think should just $1.79 a foot. We're just gonna call that 2 feet.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna have a bad day.
Right. Do you need clamps?
I have clamps. I have assortments of clamps.
Or I figured you would have some clamps.
Bolts in the carrier here. I broke a bolt here, but that is fixed. And we have all the drive shaft bolts back in. Everything's tight, should be good to go, and all we have is a wonderful cover plate to put back on. 174 screws left to go. You do realize that we're gonna go do donuts immediately after this.
Yeah, well, we need fresh dirt.
You're gonna clean it so we can make it dirty again.
I mean, isn't that the American way?
This is Italian car.
Well, let's put it up dirty then.
I counted these the last time I did this, and I don't think I want to count them again. It's depressing.
Well, there's a few of them.
Now would be a good time to speed things up.
I heard these are fast.
You heard these are fast.
Let's see what it does.
Okay. So are we doing donuts in this? Yeah. Yes, that is the parking brake. When you release it, the car moves.
Yeah, let's get bitchin' moving.
Donut time?
All-wheel donut time. You better learn how to dump the clutch.
Well, I guess we're gonna give this a shot, huh? all-wheel drive. One donut is all we get. One is all you get.
Oh, I think we can do 2 in a wetter parking lot.
I think we can do multiple with the BMW 750.
Yeah, I bet we could. Let's try that another night.
No, let's try that now. Hopefully the Jag will start. All right, so it appears I may have lied about, I can't even find the keys to the Jag, but I do have some BMW keys. I don't know how this thing works.
You have to use the fob, buddy.
I don't know how your BMW works. I don't drive BMWs.
We'll get out of the driver's seat then.
Oh, okay.
Never done donuts in an automatic.
That's why we couldn't do donuts. The plastic fell off. All right, you can do donuts now.
Oh no. We'll wait and do donuts.
Wait.
M3. No, the dash lights are still on.
Oh, I think we tripped the dash light.
I would assume so. This is made for a 90-year-old man, not for teenage boys doing donuts.
I think we set off a check engine light.
I think that was on before.
No. You broke it.
Good.
You broke it.
I heard if I broke it with you in the car, you paid for it, so sweet.
Crap. I don't know, what do we... Well, I was gonna tell everybody goodbye. I was gonna say thank you for watching, hit the subscribe button, throw me a like, all of that stuff.
He's likable.
Some people think so. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, throw me a like. I'll see you next video. Link in the description below, purekalamazoo.com/dreamcars. You can pick up some merch and you can support me doing all the stupid stuff that I do. Bye, guys.